Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to monitor your USB devices. This is very handy when if something is not responding or you're copying some file. You need to see how fast it is transferring the file from one hard drive to the USB hard drive you do have, or something else. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to do sudo modprobe usbmon, and after this is done, then you can um, install usbtop. So sudo emerge hyphen ask. This is for gentoo. So yeah, if your distro is debian, then that will be yes, I have to immerse this. That will be apt install, and apt install usbtop, and for Arch Linux, that will be pacman minus capital S usbtop, and for Fedora and RHEL, CentOS, it can be yum install usbtop and also dnf install usbtop. It depends on basically like whatever operating system or distribution you are having. Yeah, your OS has to be Linux, of course, for this to work. Yeah, that is done. Then what you have to do is you can just type usbtop and it won't work. Yes, you do have to give it 0. And here you can see a list of devices. And all are now using barely nothing. So let me like test the terminal from here, and let me show you what will happen if I am trying to write a USB drive. So here I do have a USB drive which is dv/hdb. So first of all, what I can do is fdisk/dv/hdb, and yeah, I have to do sudo again because it is a block device. Now I can create a new partition table, that is by clicking O, and yeah, and it has deleted the GPT with my mbr, so yeah, no issue. And new partition, primary partition with partition number 1 default. Yeah, let's go with that. And yes, and write this to the disk git, and yeah, that is it. So it's all written to disk now. So let's do mkfs.ext4/dv/sdb1, and let's sudo this command, and you can kind of see that it kind of increase in the write rate here. Like now it is writing at 8 MB, 7 MB per second, uh, and this is to device and this is from device. So yeah, and writing super block information, and you can see it is doing nothing right as of now. It is kind of finding some random blocks and writing the super blocks. It is kind of the default behavior of ext4. So now let's mount it. So mount /dv/sdb1 /mnt. Actually, the thing is, it is already done, right? You can see the status of the device. Just to prove that this is working, I'm just doing all this stuff. So dd if is equal to /dv/0, and we are copying a file with bs1m, and let's call it the count. Can be 512 MBs. So yeah, 512 count with 1 MB block size, so that will be 5 MBs. And let's put it to of equal to something like 5. So and yeah, and I need sudo because I haven't mounted as my own user. Otherwise, I have to do a chmod. Yeah, that will be another thing. So yeah, Anyway, it is all written. So df minus h mnt, not mnt dot, and here you can see 500 MB is used. And if we if is equal to slash dv slash if is equal to this file, so file, and of is equal to slash dv slash 0, not 0, null, and let's do that, and you can see it. So the thing is, it is all cached in main memory. So if I had some file which is much more bigger than this, which is more difficult to cache, maybe like 2000, you can kind of see it is getting written to the disk. So yeah, whatever it is getting written to the disk is at a very slow rate than what is being read from the disk, because you are just writing zeros to the disk but not reading anything from the disk. So this actually means that you are writing to the disk, but you are also reading something. Like if you write something to the disk, then you are issuing a command to write. Then it will return some result. So that result, every result adds up to this much kilobytes. So yeah, that is why there is still reads even if you are doing pure writes. So after this is done, or maybe let's keep this thing, like how much it has returned. Like let's keep that the cache, and it is now flushing it. If it is the case, yeah, that will take some time. So yeah, I guess it is already okay for me to stop this video here. So if you like videos like this, please give this a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you do have suggestions for new videos, and also if you have some query regarding this video. And if you didn't like it, there is also dislike button. You did like it, then please press the like button, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, https://youtube.com/abhidhamshu. I guess that's it. We will see in the next video.